Hello and welcome. As teachers, creating a syllabus is an important part of our job. But let's be honest, they can be pretty dry and unengaging for our students. What if there was a way to make our syllabi more visually appealing and engaging? In this video, I will explain why visual syllabi are on the rise and provide some practical tips on their designs. I will also showcase some inspiring examples that will give you ideas for your own syllabus design. So, let's dive in. Visual syllabi are becoming more and more popular in education. Let's explore why. One of the main reasons is that they offer a more engaging and memorable way to communicate important course information. Compared to a traditional text-based syllabi, visual syllabi can use a variety of graphics, images, and other multimedia elements to capture students' attention and make key concepts more memorable. Another reason why visual syllabi are gaining popularity is that they allow for more flexibility and customization. With a visual syllabus, teachers can choose from a range of design options and tailor their syllabus to fit the specific needs and preferences of their students. I think one big factor that makes visual syllabi distinct is the aspect of personalization. I like how visual syllabi allow you to reflect your personality and teaching style. For example, you may choose to include photos or illustrations that relate to the course material, or use design elements that reflect your personal interests or hobbies. You may also incorporate humor or playful language that reflects your personality, or use a particular color scheme that represents your teaching style. I believe by personalizing your visual syllabus, you can create a sense of connection with your students and help to build a positive and supportive classroom community. You may be wondering what to include in a visual syllabus. In fact, the content of a visual syllabus may vary depending on the course and your preferences as an instructor. But here are some common sections. The course information section includes the course title, course description, instructor's name, and contact information. The learning objectives sections outline what students are expected to achieve by the end of the course. Remember to write the learning objectives in a language that is clear, concise, and easy for the students to understand. The required materials section lists all the required textbooks, readings, and other materials that students will need to obtain for the course. The breakdown of grades may include information on assignments, exams, participation, and any other factor that contribute to the final grade. And finally, the course policies section outlines the course policies, including expectations for attendance, late work, academic honesty, and other relevant policies. Overall, a visual syllabus should include all the essential information that students need to succeed in the course, while also presenting that information in a clear, concise, and a visually appealing way. Excited about creating a visual syllabus for your course? That's fantastic! Before you begin designing, it's important to be aware of some common challenges that teachers often experience in this process. When creating a visual syllabus, it can be tempting to include as much information as possible to ensure that your students have a clear understanding of what to expect in the course. However, it's important to find a balance between providing necessary information and overwhelming students with too much detail. One way to tackle this problem is to include only the essential information in the visual syllabus and post more detail on the course site. Another challenge that you may encounter when creating a visual syllabus is finding a balance between text and visuals. Too much text can make the syllabus overwhelming and difficult to read, while too few visuals can make the syllabus look unappealing or unengaging. You need to be careful about how you incorporate visuals, ensuring that they are relevant, informative, and easy to understand. One more challenge is finding the right tone and level of formality for your visual syllabus. A syllabus needs to be professional and informative, but it should also be engaging and easy to read. Finally, if you are thinking about creating a visually appealing syllabus, you may be concerned about the time it takes, especially if you don't have design skills or experience with graphic design softwares. One solution that I recommend is using templates. There are many free or low-cost templates available online that can be used to quickly and easily create a visual syllabus. These templates can be customized to fit your needs without requiring any artistic skills. You can find free templates on websites such as Piktochart, Visme, and Canva. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. I encourage you to give Visual Syllabi a try and see the results for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. And I will see you in the next video.